Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. We got Jake and I'm Robbie. Today we've got an easy drink for you. We are making a Basil Rum John Daly. So, for this drink you will need the following ingredients. Most importantly, you're going to need our awesome Basil Carolina Rum. This stuff is phenomenal and one of a kind. It's also our first export. It goes really well in a lot of cocktails, makes the whole drink making experience easier. You're also going to need lemonade. You're gonna need sweet tea, and we're gonna garnish this drink with some lemons. So, let's get started. First step. What's the first step to making this drink, Jake?
You're gonna give me 2 ounces of basil rum in each glass.
Yes, sir. 2 ounces of basil rum.
Yep.
Oh, baby. Oh. 2 ounces of basil rum in each glass.
I'm gonna borrow that from you.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna put 3 ounces of sweet tea and then 3 ounces of lemonade into each glass.
This drink is named after the golfer, John Daly.
It is. So traditionally, if you want to make an Arnold Palmer, you would just combine tea and lemonade, and then if you want to add alcohol to it, it becomes a John Daly.
Awesome.
In this case, we're going to add our basil rum to it just to make it a little more unique to us. Give those a stir for me.
All right, so we've got our sweet tea in here, we've got our lemonade in here, and we've got our basil rum in here. Give this a stir. Add a little more ice to these drinks, because on a hot summer day, that ice is gonna go fast. And there you have it, folks. That's our basil lemonade sweet tea John Daly. Hope you enjoyed this video. The description recipe will be in the link in the description below. Also with links to our website and our social media and where you can buy our products. Come out and see us for a tour. We do them every Saturday. We're also open during the week. Don't forget to ask for us in your local liquor store. And check out our other pile of videos. We make them every Monday on this channel. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Cheers, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Oh,